Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel. Amazon India is back with the daily Amazon quiz where users can answer questions and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Amazon quizzes focus on product trivia and provide the opportunity for customers to win exciting prizes. The prizes for these quizzes range from free products and goodies to Amazon Pay balance. Check out the questions and answers. The odds of winning depends on the number of eligible entries that answer all the questions correctly. Eligible entries are the ones that satisfy the eligibility criteria outlined in the mobile app and follow the steps outlined in the details of the contest and how to enter section. Do not forget to tweet about your participation in the Amazon quiz using #QuizTimeMornings with Amazon. Amazon Quiz Question and Answers of September 30, 2020. First, Arundhati Roy won the Booker Prize in 1997 for her debut novel. What was the novel called? Answer: The God of Small Things. Second, Tour de France is an annual multi-stage event associated with which of these sports? Answer: Cycling. Third, which of these is a founder of the popular messaging app WhatsApp? Answer: Jan Koum. Fourth, in 1996, a mammal named Dolly was successfully cloned for the first time. What type of animal was it? Answer: sheep. Fifth, which company made the humanoid robot known as Asimo? Answer: Honda. Step 4. Now, just click the Amazon quiz banner and start the quiz by tapping the Start button. Step 5. You have to answer the 5 questions correctly in the daily Amazon quiz in order to be eligible to win exciting prizes. Step 6. After answering all of today's Amazon quiz questions correctly, you will then be eligible for the Amazon quiz winner's lucky draw. Step 7. The Amazon quiz lucky draw winners are announced on the winners list declaration date. Amazon quiz question and answers of October 1st, 2020. First, which object grants the superhero Green Lantern his extraordinary powers? Answer: a ring. Second, the novel White Tiger won the Man Booker Prize in 2008 and was the debut novel of an Indian-born author. Who wrote it? Answer: Arvind Adiga. Third, what is the dot that appears over the lowercase letters I and J called? Answer: Tittle. Fourth, famous British actress Lena Headey was born on 3rd October 1973. Which character does she play in the famous HBO series Game of Thrones? Answer: Cersei Lannister. Fifth, she was the first Indian woman to become a teacher and opened up the first girls' school in India in 1848. Who is she? Answer: Savitribai Phule. Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.